Alright guys, so still got copyright free music playing. So what I wanted to do was listen to one of my QSC sr1020 cinema surround speakers. And you guys just collect a little bit of dust hanging up in my movie room for the past couple months. Against this soundtown carme, what is it, the carme-u10mb. I definitely like the design of the soundtown a little bit more than I do the QSCs, however. So they sound about the same, probably because the speaker over here is up against the wall. I was hearing a little bit more bass from this one that had the bass kicked up to about, what, 15 dB, right at 40 hertz. So the QSCs actually sound really nice. They both do, because honestly, I'm hearing no difference in sound quality at all between this and this QSC. Now really it should be paired, you know, you listen to a pair of these, then flipping back and forth to listen to the QSCs, but both of them sound really, really good. So the reason why I'm doing this is because there's going to be another pair of these replacing these, and honestly, I bought these for 50 bucks, and I don't want to spend close to $500 on these Soundtown speakers knowing that I should have just spent extra money and just bought another pair of QSCs. So honestly, I think I'm on the right path doing this here. And plus, it's nice to have something different because all my local cinemas have QSC in them. So I'm going to kick the bass up. Alright, it is going to be a little bit messy. Because I have my wires just kind of everywhere. I gotta get in here and clean this room up. Anyway, that's the QSC playing by itself, sr1020. And then going ahead and mute that, put the Soundtown back on. You guys can already hear the QSC has so much more bass to it. They're both pretty much EQ'd about the same way. However, they both do sound pretty nice. So, Soundtown, I guess that's one thing you guys can work on is get yourself a better woofer in those things. But at the same time, tuning is going to be a little bit different. So. You can hear somewhat of a difference, but the QSC is what makes the biggest difference. This is with the bass on, the bass off, or the bass boost, I should say. So anyway, I thought it would be kind of a fun experiment just to compare and contrast. At the same time, the QSC is more broken in. Well, it is broken in. Soundtown itself is not broken in, so it is a new woofer. So let me hold off on any real thoughts against it, and they're gonna take a few months before they actually break in, especially playing as surround speakers at 60 hertz. So, alright guys, catch you on the next one.